Is an exciting vehicle. Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Frontier SV. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, and rear privacy glass. Remember, if they say no, call Tony Joe's.